Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to save your contacts to your Google account from an iPhone. And this is very simple. The first thing that we need to do is we go to our phone, and then if you are here on your phone, go to your lists, and then right here it's important to hold your finger on all iCloud and then do export. Then right here we can do every single information from the person that we need, but please do done. And right now, if we scroll down, we can do save to files, rename it a little bit so we can recognize it when we need to add this file, and then we do save. Then right here, we go to our Gmail. Gmail. And then right here, you will see this screen. Then what we need to do is the next thing. Click on your profile picture, click on manage your Google account, and then scroll to people and sharing. Then right here, click on contact info from your devices and make sure that you turn this one on. Then after this, we can click here on Google Contacts. And then from here, we can click on the plus icon just right here. Create multiple contacts. And then what we need to do is add names, or we can do import contacts. So what we need to do now is import contacts, select file, all contacts just right here. And if we do now import, he will import all our contacts to Google. So after this, it costs, let's say a few minutes because I have around 1000 contacts. But after this, you can see right here that he imported all my contacts to my Google account. And right now we just exactly did what we want. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.